Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, please join the 5,000 subscribers that we now have by following the YouTube channel, and make sure you check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online English language classes that we offer. I have to begin today's 1 Minute English video with a bit of a confession, actually, which is that while I've been teaching almost 28 years now, my experience of teaching kids is very, very limited. I had to do a couple of years working with kids early on in my career, and since then, to be honest, I've steered clear a bit. I love my own children, obviously, most of the time, except for when they're winding me up, but I do struggle with other people's children. And to be honest, teaching kids is my idea of hell. I mention all of this because this morning I had a new student in one of my classes, and as we were chatting before the class really got going, I asked what she did, and she told me that she was a teacher specialising in teaching children. Whew, I said, rather you than me. We often say rather you than me to show that we're happy we don't have to do what someone else is doing. So maybe you might say, what are you doing tonight? Oh, I'm going to the opera. Oh, really? Opera? Rather you than me? That's really not my idea of fun. Someone might tell us that next week they've got to have 2 teeth out. Oh, rather you than me. What are your plans for the next couple of weeks? Oh, we're really excited because we've got tickets to go and see Coldplay. Seriously, Coldplay. Oh, rather you than me. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, share it with your friends, colleagues or students, and in the comment section below, give us some examples of how you think you might use rather you than me.